repairing things. You know, when you're repairing something, you want to have a good surface for you to start up on. Here we have an iPhone 6s. This actually is not mine. I'm fixing it for someone else. The screen, as you can tell, is very bad, and it actually comes off the actual frame like that, and that's not supposed to happen. So we're gonna be trying to fix it in this video. Alright, I have my crappy little repair kit here. We're gonna dig into the phone. Ah, there we go. Look at that crappy third-party battery that's just sitting in there. Also, it looks like there's something missing down here, but it could just be that the repair shop did something, or maybe there's nothing supposed to be there. I don't know. All I know is this part is not supposed to be off of the screen. Okay, I'm gonna need something to prop up the screen, so I'm gonna use a water bottle. Now I'm gonna be professional and bring out the iFixit toolkit. Okay, what screws does this take? Phillips. Okay, I can do that. Attach it to this. Oh, those are all the screws, okay. Oh, that still works. Okay, so this cable was already snapped. The repair shop did a horrible job with this one. There's a lot of snapped cables in here. Might be for the camera. Man, I forgot how slow 6S's are at turning on. Okay, yeah, the touch still completely works. So that cable was just nothing. Oh, I unplugged that cable, so that must have been for the camera. There we go. Can I take the screen off? I can! Now we have two pieces. By the way, the cable to the home button is snapped off because of the previous place that this person tried to fix this phone at. So before I lose any screws, I'm going to screw the shielding for the screen back in so I don't lose any screws. Okay, there we go. The screen shielding is now screwed back into place. Now I'm gonna let the phone sit in its case until I get another screen for it. Oh, now it's in the case. I'm not gonna show behind the case because that's personal stuff. Now that I have the screen taken off, it's in two pieces because the previous place didn't do this correctly. It's time we clean up everything. Okay, now we have a clean workspace, and I'll see you guys when the new screen gets here. Hey guys, a little bit of an update. It's been 4 months, and I finally got the new screen. Right. There it is. I'm gonna unwrap this carefully. Oh, that is so dirty and scratched. Looks good though, but I'm gonna have to clean it, definitely. Here's the iPhone 6s. Here's the new screen. Here's the iFixit toolkit. Let's lift up this screen. I'm gonna need a water bottle to prop it up again. Now, one thing I didn't do last time was disconnect the battery. Alright, battery is disconnected. That screw can go up here. Oh gosh, that shielding screw is so small. Can take that off and remove the two connectors. There we go. Now with the new screen, we gotta align those connectors. Now that's connected, we can put the shielding back on. Okay, now we can reconnect the battery, take this shielding part, place that, I think here, right? It's like that, alright. There we go. Let's see if it even works. Ah, it does work. Look at that. Wow. How am I supposed to... Ah, perfect. Ah, we got it. I did it. Okay, let's see. It looks good. Everything looks good. I hope I didn't break this f***ing screen by doing that. Yes, success! Let's f***ing go! Successful repair. Successful repair. And the home button work? Yes! Let's fucking go, bitch.